This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, AP Physics, Homework 7.1. Question number 5. Air within the funnel of a large tornado may have a pressure of only 0.55 atmospheres. What is the approximate outward force F on a 9.5 meter by 7.3 meter wall if the tornado suddenly envelopes the house? Atmospheric pressure is 1.013 times 10 to the 5th pascals. That's my 101-300 that I've given you before. So what we've got is we have the wall of a house. On that wall of a house, I have, from the outside, I've got the tornado of 0.55 atmospheres. On the inside, I've got atmospheric pressure of 1.013 times 10 to the 5th pascals. So I've got atmospheric pressure on the inside, and I've got pressure from the tornado on the outside. So I've got a difference here that's going to be the net force. So I could figure out the force on one side and the force on the other side. Let's do that. So here, my force is going to be my pressure times my area. So it's going to be 1.013 times 10 to the 5th is my pressure. And the area of this wall, it's 9.5 meters by 7.3 meters. So I'm going to do 9.5 and 7.3. On the other side, I'm going to have a force. And here I'm going to have a force equals my pressure times my area. Well, here my force is going to be 0.55 atmospheres, and this is 1 atmosphere. So it's going to be 0.55 times my 1.013 times 10 to the 5th times my area of 9.5 and 7.3. Now I'm going to, this force is going to be pushing in, this force is going to be, this force is going to be pushing out. So what I'm going to want to do is subtract these two. So when I get this force and this force, my net force is going to be the difference between them. I'll call this F1 and F2. So it's going to be F2 minus F1. Yeah, this approximate outward force is going to be a net force. So it's going to be the difference between this one, the bigger one minus the smaller one. Now, if you're paying attention, you might notice that this one's got 3 factors. This one's got the same 3 and that much. So really, this is going to be 0.45, 55, 45. So it's going to be 0.45 of the total is the net, because it's 1 of it minus 0.55 of it. So you could have some algebraic solution in there. But in general, you're going to wind up with this force.